What is the Internet?
The Internet is a massive network that connects millions of computers and devices around the world. Using networking protocols, these devices communicate through physical wires, Wi-Fi, and other technologies. The Internet allows us to share data, visit websites, send messages, and much more, all by transmitting information efficiently between connected devices.
How devices connect?
Your device connects to the Internet through a network, typically starting with a home router and an Internet Service Provider, or ISP. The router manages connections within your home, while the ISP links your devices to the wider Internet. Each device is assigned an IP address, which helps identify it on the network, ensuring data is sent to the right place.
Sending data. The journey begins.
When you visit a website, your device breaks information into small pieces called packets. These packets travel through your router to your ISP and then across various networks using high-speed cables and wireless signals. Each packet may take a different route but is reassembled once it reaches its destination.
Understanding protocols.
Protocols are like rules for how data travels across networks. The two most important are TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, and IP, Internet Protocol. IP handles addressing and routing packets, while TCP ensures all packets arrive and are reassembled correctly. Together, they provide reliable and accurate data transmission.
Receiving data and seeing results.
Once the web server receives your request, it sends data back to your device using the same packet and protocol process. Your device receives, reassembles, and processes these packets, allowing you to see the website or get the file you requested. This entire process happens in milliseconds, enabling seamless internet browsing.